everybody, welcome to another MASC Minute, Jamie at shopmasc.com. It has been a few months since my last video. We were on a roll there at the beginning of the year, doing lots of videos, and then coronavirus or COVID-19 reared its ugly head and things got a little bit derailed and sidetracked, and we had to prioritize other things. But yeah, we're back. We never left, but the videos are back. And hopefully we're going to get back on track with those, and we have lots of new products to show you. Some of them we've had for, they all arrived over the last few months, but we haven't had a chance to really speak about them in person. So you may have seen them on the website, but this will be the first time that I'm talking about them. So I'm going to start with one today, a new product from Brickell. This is called their Restoring Eye Serum Treatment. So they have another under eye product called the Restoring Eye Cream. There is definitely some overlap in the ingredients, so they are kind of similar. They do similar things, achieve similar results, so specifically addressing dark circles, puffiness, wrinkles, fine lines, that sort of thing. The main differences are, number one, the consistency. So as the name implies, this has more of like a serum-like consistency to it. It's almost like a translucent or almost clear kind of gel, whereas the Restoring Eye Cream, also as the name implies, is more of an eye cream. So depending on whether you like that sort of consistency, slightly creamier consistency or more of a gel, that might be a reason why you choose one versus the other. And then this one does come in a little pump bottle versus the eye cream, which comes in a jar. So some people prefer one over the other for that too. So those could be two determining factors. In terms of ingredients, there definitely is some overlap. So they both have protein peptides, they both have the hyaluronic acid. Those are both sort of anti-wrinkle, hydration, firming, plumping sort of ingredients. This one does list vitamin C as a key ingredient, so that's not in the eye cream, or it might be, but it's not listed as a key one. So yeah, if you're just looking to try a good new under eye product, I recommend it. It has no scent at all, so it's not going to irritate the eye with any sort of fragrance wafting up into the eye. Yeah, the under eye cream, or the Restoring Eye Cream that they have already, is a top seller, so I anticipate this one to be a top seller too for all the Brickell fans out there. So yeah, shopmasc.com on the website, and of course in our store in Vancouver too. Thanks for listening.